Kom igen, sådär ja. Fan vad fett. Wow!
Hey Santa, it's Dax again. Hi. Just checking if you got my list. Dear Mr. Santa, hello. My name is Dax and I've been a good kid. I made a list of the shit that I wanted this year. Did you read it? I'm hoping you did. I put my country, my state, my street, my chimney, just so you know where I live. Stop watching porn. Gave to the homeless, like, damn dude, don't be a bitch. Yeah, I want a Cadillac, color matte black. Yeah, I want a thick bitch with a fat ass. Yeah, I want a crib to crash with a pool and a court and a golf course all in the back. Yeah, I want Gucci, Prada, couple with $1 million. Instagram, million followers. Take out pool from Benny Hanna, dude. I need a follow back from Lily Pong. I need a Drake feature on a song. I could probably do this shit myself and all, but I ain't really gonna wait that long. So Santa, this is my list and I'm confident in you that you will complete it. Me and your daughter are friends, and if I don't get all of my shit, I'm on Mike Jackson beat it. Dear Mr. Dax, I took the time to go over your list, and unfortunately, I'm sorry to say you have no back. Those goddamn gifts. That's for my daughter, young man. There ain't no way to fucking that. Man, fuck you, Santa. I don't even want your gifts. I don't even want that car. I don't even want that bitch. I don't even want that shit now. I want Miss Claus. Want her saying ho, 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 ho while she's on my pole. Keep my wrist froze while I play games with Rudolph. Yeah, I'm crazy. Santa gave her the dick banana. Came through with the heat, the jammers, butt cheeks, through the sheets, pajamas. So, what does that mean? I think it means that I win either way. I'll leave you cookies and milk and a note on the table, and here's what that shit's gonna say. Make sure you clean up the motherfucking chimney.
I want it spotless.
Make sure you turn off the lights when you're done.
Got bills to pay, dude.
Make sure you leave me a tip on the table.
That's right for me.
Don't eat 2 cookies, your fat ass gets 1.
Jim.
Don't forget to leave shit in my stocking, you know where it's at. Milk chocolate, some Henny and condoms with that. Xanax, weed to sell in the trap. Don't lie, Santa boy, I know that you're black. Passion, dancer, prancer, and Vicks and Common. Cupid, Donner, and Blitz. Talk shit, hey, all go miss Santa. Niggas, Santa, Christmas.
Är du ute på ställen för fan? Kom igen då. Alltså där ja, jävlar i helvete.
Welcome to the party at my trailer park. We got tons of booze, gonna party till it's dark. If you wanna come along, you better bring some girls. Turn up the grill, we gonna barbecue some squirrels. It's not easy having sex in a camping chair. We fell onto the ground, but she didn't care. Lube with evergreen wasn't too smart. We should have known it from the start. Boy, did I get around last night. I did a cowgirl doggy style. Drinking moonshine in the sunshine. I did a cowgirl doggy style. That's what happens when you party all night. Yeah, we party all night. I did a cowgirl doggy style. Party all night. Yeah, we party all night. Drinking moonshine in the sunshine. I'm a trailer park boy.
Den här bilen skriker inte, den här bilen sjunger. Fan vad fint.
I'm a trailer park boy.
She was bending over in those tight overall jeans, telling me to keep staring. Well, she looks alright and all, but I ain't kissing cousins.
Welcome to everybody's walk of shame day. I hooked up with 2 fine ladies on the same day. They found out, then it turned into a fight. I think it's still a better love story than Twilight. legs in a camping chair. We fell onto the ground, but she didn't care. Lube with evergreen wasn't too smart. We should have known it from the start. Oh boy, did I get around last night. I did a cowgirl doggy style. Drinking moonshine in the sunshine. I did a cowgirl doggy style. That's what happens when you party all night. Yeah, we party all night. I did a cowgirl doggy style. Party all night. Yeah, we party all night. Drinking moonshine in the sunshine. Drinking moonshine in the sunshine. Jag mötte en tjej, hon sa hej hallå.
Oj, oj,
Jag
oj.
slog på min charm, drog ut på stan, bara hon och jag. Hej, vad händer? Hon ville inte hålla händer. Hon ville bara vara fri. Hon var på Tinder och hon tyckte jag var hinder. Oh, oh. Hon ville inte vara bara min. Hon vill att alla dansar med varandra, sjunga med tillsammans. Alla skriker högt, la 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 la. Alla huggar med varandra, festar hårt tillsammans. Alla skriker högt, la 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 la.
Fueling up.
Jag har glömt pannkakor någonstans.
En annan fuckboy på Stureplan.
Ja, Jörgen. Jävlar vilken skönhet.
Hej, vad händer? Hon ville inte hålla händer. Hon ville bara vara fri. Hon var på Tinder.
Jävlar vad ni har.
Jag var hinder. Oh, oh. Hon ville inte vara bara min. Hon vill att alla dansar med varandra, sjunga med tillsammans. Alla skriker högt, la 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 la. Alla huggar med varandra, festar hårt tillsammans. Alla skriker högt, la 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 la. Vaknade upp helt ensam. Hon ville vara min vän, hoppas vi träffas igen. För jag vill ha en ny chans.